name's Nathan Marshall. This right here is our 2017 Jeep JKU Wrangler. This is actually my 4th consecutive build with Rollin' Big Power. This one's a little bit smaller than my normal ones, but looking for something more usable here. So what I absolutely love is our 20x9 Cobra bead locks that we're running on this. Can be ran as DOT or non-DOT approved, so that's really nice to have if we want to go bead on the Jeep on the trail a little bit. We're running an NDX grill. What I like about this is when you order it, all you got to do is paint it and bolt it in. It already comes assembled. You don't have to cut up your factory one. We've got some RBP shackles on the front here for some good recoveries when we're going on the trail. I actually have a build that's 100% usable, that I don't have to worry about anything. I can take it anywhere, I can drive it anywhere, it'll be daily driven. I mean, it'll just be an all-around really great build this year. What we're gonna use the Jeep for, the goal here is to help rescue animals. That's why it's called the Paw Patrol. We both have rescue dogs. Hers is a Great Dane, mine's a Dachshund. And the other side of that is rescuing dogs that are in endangered environments. You know, we have a trolley system on the back so that dog leashes can be hooked up to the back. They can go in the bed. Our box that we built is fully bed lined and secured. Got armor everywhere, so if dogs get up on it, you know it's not gonna scratch up the Jeep and everything. So really the ultimate goal is to rescue and help dogs survive. So you can check me out at Mr. RBP, and you can check out the actual owner of the Jeep, my girlfriend, at Spearmint. Both of us on Instagram. You can check us out. We're gonna do dog events, try to put on a show, and have dog adoptions at the show. Just check us out on all the cool things we're gonna do off-road and with dogs.